What's guys? Okay, welcome back to my channel. And today I want to explain to you about still biological material. The title PTERIDOPHYTA. Okay. Let's check it out about my explain about PTERIDOPHYTA. Okay, let's check it out, man. Basically, we must know what's the meaning of PTEROPHYTA. Okay, etymologically, the Latin name PTEROPHYTA comes from the Greek, namely pteron, which means feathers, and phyton, which means plant, which is a group of plantae or plants whose bodies have formed a cormus or already have two roots, stem, and leaves, and in PTEROPHYTA are already vascular plants, which can also be called with tracheophytes because they already have XYLEM transport vessels, or also known as foot and phloem vessels. The characteristics of ferns are that there are several. One has true roots, stem, and leaves. Roots come from stem or rhizome. The gamete producing organs are commonly called antheridia and archegonia. They can live in various habitats. For example, in humid places are also called hygrophyte, and in water or hydrophyte, rock surface, soil surface attached to tree bark or epiphyte, and have young leaves that roll up. Okay, next, the types of leaves of ferns. One, based on leaf size, are divided into two. Microfil. What's the microfil? Microfil, namely by eating small size or shaped like scales with one leaf bone and not stems, or scone, or megafil. What's the meaning megafil? Megafil, which is large or also cut from with stem reinforcement and has leaf flesh. Okay. 2. Based on its function, it is divided into two. 1. Tropofil. What's the meaning tropofil? Namely leaves that do not produce spores but only function in the process of photosynthesis and are also called sterile leaves. 2. Sporofil. What's the meaning sporofil? Sporofil is a leaf that produces spores that play a role in the propagation of new individuals. However, it can also function as a medium for photosynthesis, or also known as fertile leaves. Okay, we're discussing next about the types of ferns. Okay, the first, based on type of spores produced, are divided into several, namely Heterosporous ferns. What's the meaning? Heterosporous ferns are ferns that produce spores of the same size and cannot be distinguished between male and female spores. For example, Lycopodium sp. or scone. Heterosporous ferns. Heterosporous ferns are ferns that produce spores of different size. Small male spores are usually called microspores, and larger female spores are called macrospores. For example, Selaginella sp, Marsilea crinata, or water clover. Yes. And transition ferns. Yes. What's the meaning transitional ferns? Transitional ferns are ferns that produce spores of the same shape and size, and the male and female gametes are known or can be said to be distinguished between male and female spores Yes, for example, Equisetum debile or horsetail. Now we talking about PTEROPSIDA classification. Classification in PTEROPSIDA there are several. Okay, first PSILOPSIDA, or it can be said ancient ferns. This type of ferns is mostly extinct. This plant has no leaves and has stem root. It has a transport bundle branching with sporanium at the end of its branches. The profile produces one type of spore or homospore. For example, Timesipteris sp and Psilotum sp. The second, LYCOPSIDA or wire nails. This is a fern with small leaves arranged in a spiral. Sporanium collected in strobilus and appearing in the axils of the stem leaves like a wire. For example, Lycopodium sp or Wallinella sp. Or the third, Heterosporous or SPHENOPSIDA. Yes, it can be said horsetail plants are ferns that have wide pinnate leaves, and the leaves are arranged in circle. The shape of the stem are similar to horsetail. Therefore, this group of plant is called horsetail plant. An example of this plant is Equisetum sp. This PTEROPSIDA already has root. Yes, the fourth PTEROPSIDA. Yes, PTEROPSIDA already has root, stem, and true leaves. And leaves are generally large or also called megafil, and stem can grow underground like rhizomes, or the stem grow above the ground on the lower surface and leaves. There is a sorus. Okay, the last are discussing about what's the benefit of fern or PTEROPSIDA. The benefit of ferns. Ferns have benefit or rules, among others, as ornamental plant. Yes, ornamental plant in our house. Ornamental plants. It also can be used as vegetables to be eaten. Can be used as a green manure for agriculture. Can be used as medicines for the pharmaceutical world. Yes, pharmacology. Can be used as building materials for the world architecture. Can be used as scrubbing or cleaning tool in the kitchen or a bathroom. Okay guys, I think that's it. My explain about biological material about PTEROPSIDA. I think you enjoyed my video and take good information from my video. Okay, see you guys.